Here we are at 73-4353 Malolo Place. This is off of Kaiminani Drive. There's a garage sale here today, so there's a lot of activity on this cul-de-sac. This is the subject property. It's about 1,250 something square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a pool. Great ocean views. I can tell you, I've already been inside. This garage has an area behind it that is just a slab. Not much in that part of the yard, to tell you the truth. Most of the yard is off to the side of the home here, the right of this area, with a pool. You can see already, I'm backing up the driveway and there's big ocean views. You can see coastline. It's really nice. And then here we are at the front door. The house has been freshly painted. You have a breezeway here to a small backyard area and the garage. Let's go on inside for a minute and then we'll check out the pool later. So you have tile, vaulted ceilings. The kitchen is here to the right. Nothing too fancy, a little small, but nice bay window. We're looking out over. Oh, here, I'll look into the great room from here. Just there to the left is a hallway that goes to the bedrooms. And then there's a lanai outside of this dining area that goes the length of the home. Let's take a look real quick at the living area again. I'm going to stand back here and look toward the kitchen and the front door. I'm standing at a sliding glass door now. Nice skylight up there. And the lanai, and the ocean is out there. They have a lot of these areca palms right now that are blocking the ocean view. So if those were trimmed, you'd definitely have a bigger view. Way bigger view. So maybe if I kind of scoot in here, you'll see how big that view could be. Maybe if I hang off the edge of the lanai. Here, I'll try hanging the iPad off the edge. And I'm looking down at the street, and it's terraced below. All right. We'll go into the bedrooms next.